Does everything look good? It probably doesn't, lol. But today I got a new phone, didn't I, John? The S6.
It's actually the S1.
Yeah, the S1 Mini. Can you hold that, please? I'm giving you the high responsibility. We found these MREs on eBay, and we thought they would like cook in the bag again.
No, okay, you thought that. You were retarded and you didn't even check.
Sure, I thought it was going to, but apparently you can eat it cold, so it's fine. We don't even need to warm it up.
It's going to taste like that.
What are you doing to the food? Cook it. That's how you cook it.
That's how you cook it.
No, it isn't. Do you need cooking lessons? Do you mind flipping? Can you leave? So you need to be walking down the trench, you need to be dramatic, like keep poking it to you and just have like some realistic commentary. Okay, I'm gonna be hiding.
Oh my god, this case.
You flipping drop that phone, I'll flipping. Can you not swear as well, by the way?
What?
I need to get the money back. I didn't say anything. I need to get the money back, okay? The phone was expensive. If this video does not make 150 quid, I'm quitting YouTube. I'm not. Okay, I'm just gonna go over to my scene. Okay, John, I'm just gonna go over. So you just wait there. So you know you gotta do some direct commentary.
Yeah.
You just gotta do some direct commentary. You know what you're doing, don't you? I'm just going down here. Make sure, Cameron, cut this out, okay?
What the hell? Okay, he's being proper weird. What the hell? Okay guys, so we're in a war, there is shooting, there is stuff going on. I'm bringing some quality food to Papa Cameron, some quality food. I think he's been shot, but some food would definitely cheer him up. Oh, you can hear all these gunshots, really loud. Oh god, kind of scary. Oh, I think he's already dead. Yeah, well, too late. Better keep the food for myself. Oh no, maybe not, he's alive! Papa Cameron, are you okay? Oh my god. Have some food! No, you'll live!
It's not on that microphone! What is it? What is it? Can you just read it?
It's chicken and sausage. Beans.
That's a good dish for a dying man. John, you eat it cold though. Can you sit down, please? I feel like...
No, I can...
sit down!
I've got a heater, hang on.
Oh, we'll eat this up. Well, thanks, John. Wow, it's
warm.
warm.
It's warm now.
Oh. Now, can you sit down, John? I feel intimidated. Alright, John, I'm so ill. I'm dying. It's not put me off.
He's been shot, Cameron. There's guys over there shooting. That probably doesn't taste very nice. Yeah.
Can I just die?
Go on. It'll make you live. No, eat the entire thing. How does that taste? Are you alive again?
Oh, thank God, they're beans. Oh. Don't get me up.
Okay, there's someone coming now.
Where?
Go on now.
Recorder.
Come on, Papa Cameron, you've got to get up.
Can't do it.
There's a war going on.
Can't do it, John. Can you help me up? Just help. Give me your hand, please.
I've got no hands free.
John, I'm dying though.
Got no hands free.
Why are you holding my case? What?
Got no hands free. Oh.
I'm revived.
You're alive now. Oh.
Right. John.
Keep your ass to the camera. Oh, look at Cameron's ass right now. There's something stuck to it.
John, stop looking at my hand.
Oh no. Oh, Jesus.
You're being shown.
Yeah, they're coming this way.
That was a Nazi soldier there.
You gotta eat all of it.
Yeah, I'm not hungry.
You've got to.
I don't want it anymore.
I would have eaten some of it, but then you put your spit in it. So
oh no, I lost. To be fair, I'm glad that we put this with it. Okay, we got some extra nutrients.
If it was warm, it would be nice. Call me fat, Jesus. It's literally just like those Heinz beans and sausages out of a fucking can just put into that. This video is brought to you by Nearly Wild Camping. With Nearly Wild Camping, you can use their cards to stay warm.
Why do you have that? Let's watch. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Goodbye. Yeah, bye.
Can you stop recording?
What? There's someone there? Something's run. Is there someone there?
Oh.
Why are we going then?
Because you're chasing me.
Funny moment.